Hello everyone and welcome to the another tutorial. I'm Sadee here to teach you how to create this NFT website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's look into the website that we are going to build. Here's the header. Header is include the logo and also main navigation. And after that, here's a button with cool hover effect. Then here is hero. Hero has display text and also text. And after that, here is two buttons in the hero. So after that, here is explore section that include all NFT product card. So first, here is explore subtitle and explore title, then explore link. So you can see here is explore card has transform hover effect. So like this, you can see here all NFT product card. So after that, here is top seller section that include all top seller card. Also here is hover effect, you can see here. Then after that, here is popular collection section that include all popular collection card and also have hover effect. So here is instruction section that has some items with icon. So like this, some step like set up your wallet, create your collection and add your NFTs and also list them for sale. So let's move on to the footer. Footer have logo and footer text and also some social link. Then here's some links, navigation links. Then here is subscribe form and also have button, subscribe button. Then after that, here's copyright text. Here is a back to top button. So like this. So let's check responsive for the tablet screen. Here is navigation menu. Here is responsive for mobile. You can see here like this. Let's dive into the file structure. Here is project folder that include assets and favicon.svg and also index.html, index.txt and styleguide.md. So assets folder includes three folders. First have CSS folder that includes CSS file, and image folder include all the images that we are going to use in the website, and JS folder include script.js file. And this all file I share in the description below. So let's open the project folder with VS Code. Let's open it and open all folder, all file that we are going to use in the project, like CSS and also JS file and index.txt that include all text and style guide.md. Let's create the HTML boilerplate and change the title. Copy and paste it here. Link the fav icon. And change the type of icon as VG plus XML. So after that, here's custom CSS link colon CSS, and also the path. So Google font link is here. Okay. So before adding Google font, go here and right click on here, select the markdown preview, copy and paste it here. In the body, create the HTML, create the JavaScript link, custom JavaScript link, JS link, script as RC, select the path, and also here is an icon script. Copy this one and paste. Let's initial the CSS file. So open the CSS folder. Comment out for custom property, root, and here will be the color. Copy all the color that we use in the project. Paste it here. So what will be the next? So let's check it out. Typography, copy from here. Typography. After that, it's all border radius, So after that, there will be spacing. Then shadow, box shadow, we're gonna use all box shadow. Here is the transition. Let's prettier this. And comment out for the reset. Select all element and their before and after. Margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing will be border box. Li list style none, and a hyperlink text decoration will be none, and also color will be inherit. A img svg span and also input and button and ion icon will be display block. For the image, height should be auto. Input and button, background should be none, and border also none, and font will be inherit. Input width 100%, and for the button, cursor will be pointer. Ion icon, pointer events will be none, and color should be var white. This is variable that we are using. So select background color var white 20. After that, focus visible should be outline offset 4px. So in the HTML, font family will be var ff poppins, and font size should be 10px, and scroll behavior will be smooth. Select the body, and background color will be var rich black foreground 39, and color will be var Spanish gray, and font size is 1.6 rem. Let's open this project in mobile view. So click here to go live. And copy the URL. Control Shift P and find the mobile view and click on here and choose your phone. Paste it, hit the enter. Here is our mobile view. You can see here. Let's set up this. So now let's style the default scroll bar. So first, height 300 ph to visible the scroll bar. WebKit scroll bar width will be 15px and scroll bar track background color is HSL 0, 0%, 100%, and scroll bar thumb WebKit scroll bar thumb background color will be HSL 0, 0%, 80%. When you hover in scroll bar thumb, background color will be 70%. So like this. Let's remove the height. Here's comment for reuse style. Let's structure the header. Header and header dot header. Inside the header dot container and dot overlay and also a dot logo. Inside the hyperlink, here will be img logo and height. Width will be 68 and height is 48. Set the alt, copy from here and paste it. After that, nav.navbar. Inside the navbar, navbar top and also p.navbar title, copy and paste it here. So button dot nav close btn, area label should be close menu. Inside the button, copy the icon and beside the navbar top, ul.navbar list and delay a.navbar link. Set the text and also here copy the li few time 1 2 3 4 5. Explore. Top seller. So beside the navbar, here will be button dot menu close btn, menu open btn, and area label will be open menu, copy the icon, then also a.btn, area labeled by wallet, copy this one and paste it here. So span ID will be this wallet, and paste it. So here is the structure for the header. So let's style it. There is comment for header. Let's display none for the all element that we are not styled right now. Dot header, position will be fixed, and top is 0, left is 0, width will be 100%, and background color is var Zikatik, and padding block, that's mean top to bottom padding should be 20px. Transition will be var transition 1. Z index is 4. So when header will be active, box shadow will be var shadow 2, that active the header. Container will be in reused style because this is style for the all container. Padding inline, I mean left right padding is 25px. So header dot container display flex align items, center, and gap is 30 px. So here is menu. Let's find it. Menu, open btn. Margin inline start. That means margin left is auto, and font size is 2.6 rem, which is 26 px. So dot header, inside the header is an icon. All iron icon inside the header will be color var white. So it's time to style navbar. Position will be fixed, and top is 0, right is 0, width will be 100%, max width should be 500 px, and height is 100%. Background color is rich black foreground 39, and by default visibility will be hidden. Z index is 2, and transition 0.15 as, and var cubic in. When navbar will be active, visibility will be visible, and translate x minus 50 px, 500 px, minus 500 px by default. And transition 0.35 as bar cubic out. So let's active the nav bar. Copy the navbar top, and also navbar list should be padding 30 px, and again dot navbar top, display flex, justify content is space between, align items, center, navbar title, font weight is var FW600. So now close btn, copy this one, and inside the nav close btn an icon, color var Spanish gray, and font size 2.7 rem, and an icon stroke width will be 40 px. Navbar link, font size var fs3, color will be white, padding block, that's mean top to bottom padding is 10 px, and font weight FW600, transition var transition 1. So when navbar link hover and focus, color will be var hand purple. Like this. Let's remove the class from navbar. Overlay position will be fixed, and inset it is 0. Background color HSLA 0%, 0%, 0.7, and transition var transition 2, opacity 0, pointer events none by default, and also z index will be 1. So when overlay will be active, opacity will be 1, and pointer events is all. Select this one, and it will be in reused style because there will be many btn, that's why. Color var white, font weight should be var FW700, and border 2px solid var white, and padding, let's create the var variable padding, and 4px and 10px is initial value, and border radius would be 50px, and display flex align items center gap will be 5px. .btn, inside the btn an icon will be font size 1.8 rem, .btn is hover or focus. That means when btn will be hover or focus, background image var gradient 1, this is gradient color, and background repeat, no repeat, as well as background position would be center, and background size 120px and 120px, x and y axis, and border color will be transparent. Like this. Use strict comment out for the navbar toggle, create variable overlay document dot query selector. Here will be data for selecting JavaScript, data overlay. Copy this one and paste. Navbar document dot query selector. Data navbar. And also for the nav close btn document dot query selector. Let's set the data nav close btn const menu open btn query selector here is the menu open btn data menu nav open btn let's create an array lmarr that include overlay and menu close btn and also menu open btn. Let's create the loop for adding event listener, assign 0 and less than lmarr dot length and I plus plus I add event listener will be click. Here's handler navbar dot class list toggle active, and also for the overlay dot class list toggle active. Let's check. Yes, it's working. Toggle navbar when any navbar link will be clicked. Const navbar links document dot query selector all let's set data in all navbar item navbar nav link, copy this one, and paste it here. Create loop. Let I assign 0. I less than navbar links dot length and I plus plus. Navbar links I dot add event listener will be clicked, and function inside the function copy this one, navbar and overlay will be toggle. So let's check it out. Yes, it's working. Alright, so let's move on to the next. Create the main. And also article. Let's comment out for the hero. Create section dot hero hash home. Inside this dot container, and also create section subtitle p dot section subtitle, text from here. Beside this, create hero title, which is h2.h1 hero title. Copy the text form index.txt. And here will be hero text, p.hero text. Copy the text. So beside this dot btn group, inside the btn group here will be two button dot btn, copy the an icon, and also create a span Copy this one for the second button. And also copy the text for the span. Here's the structure. And also collapse the container. Beside the container, here will be SVG. So inside the images, let's find out the SVG. Hero bottom, hero BG button. So copy the SVG code and paste it here. Let's give it a class, hero BG button. So let's style the hero. Dot hero. Position will be relative, and background color var static, and padding block start, which is padding top is 120 px, and padding block end is var section padding. Z index is 1. So let's go in the real style. Line number is 168. Select the section subtitle. Position will be relative. Background image var gradient 1, and background clip will be text, and also WebKit background clip is text, and background text fill color, WebKit text fill color will be transparent. Margin block end, text transform will be uppercase, and font weight is var FW 600, and margin block end will be 15 px, and width max content. So let's create after for the section subtitle. Select this and paste it here. After content is empty, and position is absolute. Top 12 px, right minus 60 px, width is 50 px, and height will be 3 px. After that, background image var gradient 1. h1 dot h1 and also dot h2, and for the h3 color will be var white, and font family will be var ffjust. For the h2 and h3 font weight should be var fw600 dot h2, font size var fs2, and line height 1.2. Dot hero section subtitle, margin block end 30px, which is margin button will be 30px, and after that hero title, font size var fs1. This is the big font size, so font weight will be var fs fw900, and also line height will be 1.2. Word wrap break word and margin block end should be 25px. Hero text, font size var fs4, margin block end 25px. Dot hero btn group display will be flex wrap 15px for the gap, and dot hero inside the hero all btn This is the padding. Do you remember I use here? Copy this one and paste it here, and padding will be 12px for the top to bottom and left to right 30px. Dot hero busy button position will be absolute, and 0 for the bottom, left will be 0, right also 0, z index -1, here is all changes you can see here. So let's start the next section, which is explore. Comment out for the explore section dot explore hash explore, then dot container. Inside the container, p dot container, so p dot section subtitle, copy the text, put in here, then dot title wrapper. Inside the title wrapper, h2.section title. Here will be the explore. Then a.btn link. After that, span. Paste it here. Then here will be the iron icon. So beside the title wrapper, ul.grid list. Inside that, li dot card dot explore card, bigger dot card banner. Inside the card banner, a, then img cover. This is utility class. Width 600 and height 600. Loading is lazy. Let's set the alt. After the card banner, h3 dot card title. Inside this, a, set the title. So then span dot card author. And also a hyperlink dot author link. Then dot wrapper data dot wrapper item and value and also here span dot wrapper item. Let's copy this one. After the wrapper, here will be button.btn. Select the iron icon, copy, paste it here, and span, place a bit. Here is the structure of one card. So let's style this one. Find the reused style number, which is 167. Scroll down. Select the section, utility class, padding block start, var, section padding, then title wrapper, display will be flex, justify content, space between, and align items center, then margin block end will be 50 px. BTN link, display is flex, align items center, 5 px for the gap, color var white, font weight will be FW500, transition is var transition 2. So when BTN link will be hover or focus, color will be var hand purple. So let's check. Yes, it's working. So .btn link, inside the BTN link an icon, when hover or focus, alright, so BTN link, inside the BTN link an icon color is inherit. So when we are hovering in BTN link, then an icon also have the color because we are inherit the color. Select the grid list, grid list, display will be grid, gap should be 30 px for the spacing, card, background color var airy black 1, padding is 24 px, border radius will be var radius 8, box shadow is var shadow 1, So after that, transition will be var transition 2. Copy the card banner. Overflow will be hidden. Border radius will be var radius 6. And also background color will be var resin black. This is for when background image not loaded on that time, this color will be visible. So that's why I use this. So copy the img cover. Width will be 100%. Height will be also 100%. And cover for the object fit card title and also card title. Inside the card title, hyperlink dot card title transition var transition 2. Explore card. When hover, then transform, translate y -5px. So here is, you can see here, so dot explore card. Inside the explore card banner will be aspect ratio 1:1. This is square, and margin block end, the spin margin button, will be 35px. Then dot explore card. Inside the explore card title, a hyperlink, and put in here is hover or focus. Color will be hand purple. Then dot explore card card author. Display will be flex. Align items center. Gap should be 10px for the spacing, and margin block will be 10px. So after that, dot explore card auto link. Color white, and font family is FFJost, and font weight is var FW500. transition will be var transition to so copy this one and is over or focus color will be var hand purple. So dot explore card inside the explore card wrapper dot wrapper display should be flex, justify content space between, and also align items is center, then margin block and 15px. So dot card explore card inside the explore card wrapper item color will be var white, dot explore card then btn, that means inside the explore card btn, font size var fs5 and padding dash padding. This is custom variable in this element, that means in the btn 8px and also 15px. 8px for the top to bottom and 15px for the left to right. So let's check it out. Yes, it's working. You can see here. So now let's make this card. Copy this one and paste it here. Let's change the all information. Control D for multi-selector. Let's change the all information quickly. Sorry. Copy and paste. It will be 4. Here is all element that we are added. So let's check. Everything is going well. All right. So let's jump into the next section. So comment out for the top seller. Top seller. Section dot top seller hash top seller. That's mean ID top seller. Container dot container. Inside the container, p dot section subtitle. ht dot section title will be top seller. Then ul dot create list. Inside this li dot card dot top seller card. And figure dot card avatar. And a img avatar 1 width will be 64, height also 64. Loading is lazy. And alt is copy and paste it here. After that, div h3 dot card title. Inside the h3a. So copy the text from here and paste. Data value and also here so let's duplicate this li 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Change the all information. Three. It will be 4 and copy the username, paste it here. It will be 5. Sorry. So here is the output of the structure. Here is all code. So let's style this. Top seller dot top seller. Inside the top seller, select section title, margin block end, margin button will be 50px, and top seller card will be display flex, align items center, gap is 15px. Dot top seller card, then card avatar, border radius will be 50%, overflow hidden, then card title, color var cultured, font size 1.6 rem, and font weight will be var fw600, margin block end 5px. When card title will be hover or focus, color will be hand purple, like this. So here will be card title inside the card title, and hyperlink will be hover or focus, then color will be hand purple. Yes, like this. Everything is going well. So let's structure for the next section. Collapse everything. Comment out for collection. Section dot collection hash collection, then dot container, so expand the explore section and copy these two elements from here and paste it. Let's change the all information. This one, also this one, popular collection. View all. Yes, like this. After that, ul.grid list. Inside this li, a.card collection card, then figure.card banner. Inside this img cover, author banner 1 with 600, height 450 and loading is lazy. Let's put it here, the old. Beside the figure, here will be figure dot card avatar img avatar 1, height width is 64 and height is 64, loading lazy. Alt will be card avatar. Then h3.card title. It will be this one. And span.card text. Let's duplicate this li for a few times. Card banner 2 and also title and alt. And also the card text. Banner 3. Here will be the 2. I forgot to do this. Then sports for the alt and title. Photography. And also the text. Five for here and also the card avatar. The last one, 6. Sorry, it isn't last. Right. Make it 2 times more. 7, also 7. And title and alt should be same. Banner and avatar also 8. This is the structure. Yes, everything is going well. Let's style it. So comment out for the collection. Select the collection card. Text align is center. And dot collection card. Then card banner. Aspect ratio 1:0.75. Dot collection card. Card avatar. Position relative. Width max content. Max content. Margin inline auto. For centering. Margin block. -40 px and 15 px for the button. Border radius 50%. Overflow hidden. Border 3 px solid var y20 and padding will be 5 px. Transition var transition. So copy this one and paste it here inside the card avatar. Select the IMG. Border radius will be inherit. So when collection card will be hover, is hover or focus card, avatar, box shadow, 0, 5px, 10px, HSLA, 223, 82%, 30%, 0.5. So dot collection card is hover or focus. Card title will be color for hand purple. So let's check it out. Yes, it's working. Let's structure the instruction section. Instruction section dot instruction hash instruction. Inside this dot container, so copy this one and paste it here. Change the title and subtitle. Dual.grid list. Li dot instruction item. Then dot instruction icon. Copy the icon, paste it here. H3 dot instruction title. After that, p dot instruction text. Let's duplicate the item. Change the all information. This is the structure of the instruction section. So let's style it. Dot instruction padding block end var section padding, then dot instruction inside the instruction section title, margin block end will be 50 px, then dot instruction icon font size will be 5 rem, that's mean 50 px, background image var gradient 1, max width should be max content, background clip here is I did mistake, so remove all thing and select the an icon, color var hand purple, an icon stroke width 25 px, and after that instruction title, color var white, font family var ff just, and font size will be var fs3, 600 for the font weight, margin block top to bottom margin will be 15 px. Let's check it. Yes, it's working. So now it's time to structure footer. Footer inside this dot container dot footer top, and here will be dot footer brand, inside the brand a dot logo, then img logo dot svg, width 68 and height 48, alt will be this one. After that p dot footer text, then ul dot social list, inside this li a dot footer link social link, here will be an icon, and copy another one Let's duplicate the li for the 3 time. So logo name is Twitter, and here's Pinterest, and also this code. After the footer brand, here will be ul.footer list, then li dot footer list title, p dot footer list title. Copy the title and paste it here, and again li a dot footer link, let's duplicate the li. Change the all text. And let's duplicate the footer list, and also change the information for second one. After that, dot footer list, and also p dot footer list title, form dot newsletter form, then input dot newsletter input, will be email, placeholder will be this one, and required button type submit, and dot newsletter btn. Inside this, and also area label will be submit. Take the iron icon and paste it here. After that, footer button. Inside the footer button, p dot copyright, and copy here, and here will be hyperlink, copyright link, paste it here. That's it. So here's the footer. You can see on my screen. So let's style this one. Let's comment out for footer. Dot footer background color will be for cicatic, and after that dot footer top padding block var section padding border block and that's mean border bottom 1px solid HSLA 0%, 100%, 0%, 100%, 0.2. Display will be grid, gap 50px and 40px. Then footer text dot footer text color will be var Gainsborough and margin block 15px 24px. Social list display flex align item center and gap is 10px. So after that social link background color airy black 2 and color will be cultured width 42 and height 42 font size 1.8 RAM and border radius is var radius 4 overflow hidden. Inside the social link an icon will be padding 12px transition var transition 1 transition 2 When social links hover or focus, an icon will be translate y minus 42px. So let's check it out. Yes, like this. Then so let's call up this and footer list title color will be var cultured font family should be var ff just. Font size var fs3, and also margin block and 20px. Footer link with max content. Color should be var Gainsborough, and margin block, I mean top to bottom margin, is 12px, and also transition will be var transition 1. So when footer link will be hover or focus, then text decoration underline, background color HSLA 0%, 100%, 0.05. So like this. Newsletter form, so will be position relative, and select the newsletter input, background color var airy black 2, and color var Gainsborough, font size var fs5, padding will be 12px and 20px, padding inline and padding right will be 80px, and border radius should be var radius 4, outline is none, transition var transition 1. So when input will be hover or focus, only focus, then box shadow will be 0, 0, 1px and 4px, HSLA 0%, 40%. Let's check it out. Yes, like this. After that, newsletter BTN, background image var gradient 1, position absolute, top will be 0, right 0, bottom 0, padding inline left to right padding will be 25px, border radius is 50px, 4px, 4px, and also 50px. Newsletter BTN. Inside the newsletter BTN, an icon. Say an icon is stroke width will be 40px. Yes, like this. footer bottom, color var Gainsborough, heading block 25px, and text align center. Copyright link, text decoration underline, display inline block, transition var transition 1, then dot copyright link is hover or focus, background color HSLA 0%, 0%, 0%, 100%, and 0.05. So that's it. Everything is working well. So let's add the back to top BTN. Back to top A dot back to top. ID top area label paste it here. This one. Dot back to top, position fixed, bottom 0, right 15px, background color for Zikatic, and color will be cultured, font size 2 RAM, padding top to bottom 15px and left to right 12px. The border radius will be var radius 6, and also box shadow should be var shadow 2, and z-index 2. Visibility hidden by default. Opacity will be 0. Transition var transition 1. When back to top is active, visibility visible, opacity 1, transform translate y minus 15px. Let's active this one. Dot back to top is hover or focus, background color var resin black, Yes, it's working. So this time to function for header and back to top btn. Add active class on header and back to top btn when window will scroll 100px from the top. Let's create a variable header document.querySelector. Let's set the data in header. And const back to top. Back top btn document.querySelector. Data back to top btn. Let's remove the active class. Add event listener on the window. Listener will be scroll and function. Let's create the condition if window dot scroll y greater than or equal 100. Then header dot class list dot add active, and also back to top btn. Else copy and paste it here. Remove the active and add the remove. So let's check it out. Yes, it's working. Everything is going well. Yes. All links are working, so it's time to move to responsive. Let's increase the display size to 600px. Media minimum width 575. Here will be the reused style and footer dot grid list and dot footer top grid template columns 1FR 1FR. There is this change you can see here. All grid item, 2 FR. 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 2 Let's increase the display size to 800 px. Copy this one and paste it. Change the screen size 768. Custom property. Root and typography. FS1 will be 6.4 RAM, which is 64 px. Then header dot btn. Inside the btn span, display will block. And dot header dot btn padding 12 px and 30 px. After that, hero minimum height will be 700 px. Display is flex. Justify content will be flex start. Align items center. And then dot hero title. Max width should be 650 px. That's it. So here is the all changes. Let's increase the screen size to 992, minimum height, minimum width. Copy this one and change the screen size 992 px. First will be the reused style dot grid list, grid template, columns, repeat 3, 1FR. Here is the change. Now we are going to responsive for instruction section. Dot instruction dot grid list, grid template, columns, repeat 4 and 1FR. That's it. After that, let's go to the block footer. Footer top, grid template, columns, 1FR, 0.6FR and 0.6FR and 1FR. That's it. Then dot footer brand, margin inline end, padding inline end will be 60 px. That's mean padding right. here is the all responsive for this screen. You can see here. Go to the next screen. Let's collapse this one and copy and also paste. Change the screen size 12 and here will be the reused style, reused and dot container, max width 1180px, width will be 100%, margin inline auto for the center. Then dot grid list, grid template columns, repeat 4 times and 1 alpha. Here's all thing you can see here. Now let's comment out for the header. Dot overlay and dot navbar top and also nav open btn. Display will be none, and after that dot navbar and dot navbar dot active all will be unset. That's mean all style and margin inline will be auto. Dot navbar list padding 0, display flex, align items center, gap should be 30px. Then dot navbar link, inside the navbar link fs3 will be 1.6 RAM. Hero and dot hero, minimum height will be 770px. Yes, everything is good. All right. Here's top seller. We need to responsive this section. Let's do it. Top seller dot top seller and dot grid list, grid template columns, repeat 3 and 1 alpha. And after that you can notice that the instruction section padding bottom is we have to increase the padding bottom, so let's do it. Instruction dot instruction padding block end 120px. That's it. This is the website that we built. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe my channel. And also, you can support me on the Patreon. I share my work on there. So, goodbye for now.